Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's discuss 21st question. So what is the 21st question here? The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 320. The cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg of grapes was found to be rupees 600. If the cost of 1 kg of apples is and 1 kg of grapes is rupees x and y respectively. So here it is given that 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. The total cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes is 320 and the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is rupees 600, and it is given that we have to, if cost of 1 kg of apples is x rupees and cost of 1 kg of grapes is y rupees, then represent the given situation algebraically as a system of equations and check whether the system so obtained is consistent or not. So we have to represent this situation in the form of linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables. So let's write what is given first. 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes is equals to 320. So it is given that cost of 2 kg apples cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. So it is given as 320 rupees. So rupees 320 rupees. If cost of 1 kg of apples is x and cost of 1 kg of grapes is y, then how do we write this one in the form of linear equation to variables? So 2 into cost of 1 kg of apples is x, 2 into x and 1 into y, cost of 1 kg of grapes is y, equals to rupees 320. So now 2 into x 2x plus 1 into y equals to, so 320. So this is equation 1, and it is given that, also it is given that here the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes 600. So 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes. Cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes. So rupees 600. So 4 into each kg is x rupees plus 2 into each kg is y rupees equals to 600. So 4 into x, 4x plus 2y is equals to 600. Okay. Here, so let us represent this in standard form. In standard form, we have to bring 320 left side. 2x plus y minus 320 is equals to 0. So equation 1. Here also represent this equation in standard form. For that we have to bring 600 left side. It will become 4x plus 2y minus 600 equals to 0. So let this equation 2. So let's, what is the first one? 2x plus y minus 320 equals to 0. Let's compare this one with the first general linear equation, a1x b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So if you compare with this one, what do we get? The coefficient of x, a1 is 2, the coefficient of y, b1 is here, the coefficient of y is 1, and constant term c1 is minus 320. Now let's take the second equation. What is the second equation? 4x plus 2y minus 600 equals to 0. Let's compare with the second general linear equation, a2x b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now coefficient of x, a2 is equals to 4, coefficient of y, b2 is equals to 2, constant term c2 is equals to minus 600. So let's find the value of ratios of coefficients. a1 by a2, a1 by a2, what is a1 here? a1 is 2 and a2 is 4. So 2 by 4 after cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you will get 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2. So what is the b1 value? b1 is 1 and b2 is 2. So 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2. c1 is minus 320 and c2 is minus 600. So cancellation is possible. So minus minus cancel, last 0, 0 gets cancelled. Now it will be equals to 32 by 60. 4 table, 4 8s are 4 8s are 32, 4 15s are. So now it will be equals to 8 by 15. So here what we got, a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is also 1 equal to 1 by 2, but both are not equals to c1 by c2. So here what do we got? a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. So If this condition is satisfied, what type of equations are these? They are consistent, intersecting, and have unique solution. So therefore, the lines are, the equations are consistent, consistent, intersecting, and unique solution. Let's see 21st B question. What is the 21st B question? Solve for x and y. Here we have root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 5. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to minus 6. So we have to solve it. So let's solve it by elimination method. We have to solve it by elimination method. So let's write what is given first. The first one, root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 5. So let this equation 1. The second one is root 3x minus root 8y is equals to minus root 6. Let this equation 2. So let us solve it by elimination method. So let's eliminate x. To eliminate x, we have to make the coefficient of x equal. So here the coefficient of x is root 2 and here the coefficient of x is root 3. So what is the least common multiple of 2 and 3? 6. Means we have to make both coefficients equals to root 6. For that, what I need is I have to multiply equation 1 with root 3. Equation 1 we have to multiply with root 3. If I multiply with root 3, what I get? Root 3 of, we have to multiply all the terms left side, right side. Root 3 of root 2x plus root 3y equals to 5. And to make coefficient of x in the second equation equals to root 6, I have to multiply root 2, sorry, second equation with root 2. So let's multiply root 2 of root 3x minus root 8y equals to minus root 6. So let's multiply here. Here root 3 into root 2x is equals to root 6x plus root 3 into root 3 root 9y equals to 5. So here root 6x plus root 9 is 3, so 3y is equals to, sorry, here we have to multiply root 3 with 5 also, right? Yes, root 3 into 5, root 3 5 or 5 root 3. Yes, so root 6x plus root 9 is 3, so 3y is equals to 5 root 3. Let this equation 3. Now let's take this one. So root 2 into root 3, so root 6x minus root 3 into root 18, so root 8, so it is equals to root 16y is equals to, next root 3 into this minus 6, it is equals to minus root 12. So here root 6x minus root 16 is 4, so 4y is equals to minus This root 12 can be written as root 4 into 3. So it is equals to root 6x minus 4y is equals to root 4 is 2. So minus 2 root 3. So let this equation 4. So from equation 3 and 4, what we can write? Let's subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So from equations 3 and 4, you can write, first write equation 3, root 6x plus 3y is equals to 5 root 3. Under that write equation 4, root 6x minus 4y equals to, under that write minus 2 root 3. Yes, let's do the subtraction. So signs will change. This plus root 6x will become minus root 6x, and now this minus will become plus, and this minus will also will become plus. Now add. So here root 6x both gets cancelled. Minus root 6x both gets cancelled. Now what do we have here? Plus 3y plus 4y, which is equals to plus 7y, equals to, now 5 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equals to 7 root 3, right? So send the 7 right side. Y is equals to 7 root 3 by 7. So 7 gets cancelled. Now y is equals to root 3. So let's substitute this in equation 1 to get x value. So what is equation 1? So equation 1 is, yes, root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 5. From equation 1, root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 5. So here in place of y, let's substitute root 3. So we will get what? Root 2x plus root 3 into, in place of y, substitute root 3. So root 3 is equals to 5. So root 2x plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 is equals to 5. Send this 3 to the right side. If you send this 3 to the right side, what do we get here? Root 2x is equals to 5 minus 3. So root 2x is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. So send root to right side. So x is equals to 2 by root 2. Again, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So here root 2 cancel. So now we'll get what? X is equals to root 2. So now the solution is, what is the solution? X is root 2 and y is root 3. So therefore the solution is, the solution for the given equations, root 2 comma root 3, x comma y. So this is the solution. Now 23rd question is, the coordinates of the endpoints of the line segment AB are A minus 2 comma minus 2, B 2 comma minus 4. P is the point on AB such that BP is equals to 4 by 7 of AB. So BP is 4 by 7 of means BP will be 4 parts out of 7. That means this AB is divided into 7 parts. Out of the 7 parts, BP will be four parts. So find the coordinates of point P. So let's draw the straight line. So here it is given that a straight line AB So A coordinates are, what are the A coordinates? -2 comma -2. Next B. B coordinates are 2 comma 4. So there is a point P. So there is a point P on AB such that it is given that BP. So this BP will be 4/7 of AB. So the meaning of that one is this AB is divided into 7 parts. Here total parts are 7 equal parts. Total parts means 7 equal parts is, sorry, total equal parts are 7. Out of that, this BP is 4 parts, and AP is 3 parts. So BP will be 4 parts and AP will be 3 parts. That means P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. So we have to apply the section formula to find coordinates of P. So let's apply the section formula. To apply the section formula, so here A coordinates, here these are x1 comma y1 and these are x2 comma y2. So let's write the section formula. Let's the coordinates of P be x comma y. The section formula is P x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole by m1 plus m2. So here what is m1 and what is m2? m1 is 3, m1 is to m2. So m1 is 3, m2 is 4. Now first, what is this? m1 into x2 means 3 into, what is x2 here? x2 is 2. So 3 into 2. So it is equals to 3 into 2. Next m2 x1. m2 is 4. What is x1? x1 is -2. 4 into -2. So it is 4 into -2. 4 into -2 whole by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 4. Next m1 y2. m1 is 3. What is y2 here? y2 is -4. So 3 into -4. 3 into -4 plus m2 y1. m2 is 4 and y1 is, what is the y1? So the y1 here is -2. So -2 whole by m1 plus m2. 3 plus 4. Yes. Now here 3 into 2 6. 4 into -2 is -8 by 3 plus 4 7. Next here 3 into -4 is -12. 4 into -2 is -8 by 7. So 6 minus 8 -2 by 7, and -2 minus 8 -20 by 7. So these are the coordinates of P. What are the coordinates of P? P x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 7 comma minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. So therefore the coordinates of P, coordinates of point P are minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. That's it. Now let's see 23rd B question. What is the 23rd B question? Sin A is equals to y. Then express cos A tan A in terms of y. So here sin A value is y. We have to express cos A tan A in terms of y. Let's express. Let's take what is the relation between sin A cos A. We know that the relation is sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Send sin square A right side. What do we get? Cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now cos square A is this one. Now cos A will be equals to under root of 1 minus sin square A. But we know that what is the sin value? Y, it is already given. So 1 minus sin square A means y square. So therefore cos A is equals to this under root of 1 minus y square. Now let's take tan A. So we know that tan A can be written as sin A by cos A, right? So already sin A value is y, so y by, now cos A value just now we found it. What is the cos A value? Under root of 1 minus y square. So under root of 1 minus y square. So tan A is this one. So we have expressed cos A in terms of y and tan A in terms of y. So this is the answer. Third A question now. It is given that sin A minus B is equals to sin A plus sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Use it to find the value of sin 15 degrees. So we have to use it for to find the value of sin 15 degrees. What it is given here? Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equals to sin A cos B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B minus cos A sin B minus cos A sin B. So we have to use this one to find the value of sin 15 degrees. So what is the sin 15 degrees? See, here we have A minus B, sin A minus B. So let us think that let A is 90 degrees and B is 75 degrees to get, because A minus B means 90 minus 75 is 15 degrees. So that's how I have taken here. So I am thinking that A is 90 and B is 75. So therefore this will be equals to 15 degrees. So let's substitute sine 90 minus 75 equals to, here sin A cos B means sin 90 into cos 75. Next, cos A sin B means minus cos A minus cos 90 into sin B means sin 75 degrees. So here sin 90 minus 75, it is equal to sin 15 degrees. So sin 15 degrees is equals to sin 90 value is 1 into, so we don't know the cos 75 degrees, so let's multiply cos 75 degrees minus cos 90 is 0, so 0 into sin 75 also we don't know, sin 75. So sin 15 degrees is equals to 1 into cos 75 degrees, so it is equals to cos 75 degrees. Next, minus 0 into sin 75 is 0, so therefore we get what, sin 15 degrees is equals to cos 75 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is equals to cos 75 degrees. That's it. Next 24 question is, AD and PS are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, such that ABD is similar to PQRS. Prove that ABC is similar to PQR. So we will understand this only with drawing. So let's there are two triangles ABC and PQR. So ABC triangle. So AD is the median. Next, there is a triangle PQR. PQR and PS is the median. So what it is given here? So it is given that here triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQR. ABD means this one. ABD is similar to triangle PQR. So it is given that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. So what is required to prove? We have to prove the big triangle similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Very simple. Here, when these two triangles are similar, when triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS, their corresponding sides are proportional, corresponding angles are equal, means angle at B will be equals to angle at Q, and AB by PQ is equals to BD by QS. So let's write that one. So we can write it as the triangles are similar, we can write AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equals to BD by QS. Since the reason is it is given that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS and anglet B is equals to anglet Q. Otherwise, let's do one thing. Let's multiply BD and GS with 2. AB by PQ is equals to BD multiply BD with 2 and GS with 2. When we multiply numerator denominator with the same value, so the value does not change. So here AB by PQ is equals to BD, 2 times of BD. Now 2 times of BD. So here as D is the median, D is the median, BD length and DC lengths are equal. Now 2 times of BD will be equals to BC. So 2 times of BD you can write as BC. Next 2 times of GS. As this GS is equal to SR because S is the midpoint. So therefore 2 times of GS will be equals to GQR. So it is equals to QR. So we proved it. Next, and we know that angle B is equals to angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q. As I said before, they are corresponding angles of similar triangles. Angle B is equals to angle Q. So they are corresponding angles of similar triangles and they will be equal. They are corresponding angles of similar triangles. So let's take the two triangles, big triangles, in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. We proved it. What we proved here? We proved that AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. We proved it. And also we proved that angle B is equals to angle Q. So also we proved that angle B is equals to angle Q. Otherwise we can write it as they are corresponding angles of similar triangles. So by side angle side similarity, both the triangles are similar. So side angle side similarity. Side angle side. Side angle side. By side angle side similarity, both the triangles are similar. Therefore you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is by side angle side similarity. Hence proved. Next 25th question is, while shuffling a pack of 52 cards, one card was accidentally dropped. That means out of 52, one card was accidentally dropped. Means now we have only 51 cards. Find the probability that dropped card is not a face card. So out of 51, actually how many face cards we have? So in each suit we have three face cards: king, queen, jack. Right. So in four suits, how many cards? How many face cards? 3 into 4. So we have 12 face cards. So there are 12 face cards. Out of face cards, how many are not face cards? Out of 52, so there are 52 cards. In those 52 cards, 12 are face cards. So how many are not face cards? So cards that are not face cards. Not face cards is equals to 52 minus 12. So 40. So the probability of not face card is equals to, there are 40 favorable outcomes for out of 52. So not face card. So we can cancel with 2 table. 220 is the 226 the again 20 by 26, 2 tens are 2 13s are. So the probability that card is not face card is 10 by 13. So next second question is, what is the second question? Is a black card. How many black cards we have? So red, sorry, black clubs, black spades. So there are 13 black clubs. Black clubs are 13. Black spades are also 13. So total there are 26 black cards. So what is the probability of card is a black? Probability of black card is equals to 26 by 52. So cancellation is possible. 26 ones are 26 twos are. So the probability that card is black card is 1 by 2. So this is the solution for this question.